After traveling through Japan's busy cities and moving from one place to another, Kamikochi felt like a breath of fresh air. Tucked away in the Japanese Alps of central Japan, Kamikochi felt like a peaceful escape from the busy side of Japan. In this video, we're taking you through Kamikochi, one of the most beautiful nature escapes we visited in Japan.
Good morning guys, welcome to another episode of our Japan travel series, and today we are here in Kamikochi. So we took a bus from Takayama to reach Kamikochi. It's a round trip ticket, so you have to take a Noi bus from Takayama to Hirayo Onsen, and from there you have to take another bus to come to Kamikochi. And it's all included in the round trip ticket, and the cost was 5,800 yen per person.
It's a beautiful spot in central Japan. So much of snow at the moment, and we are currently at Taisho Pond. The water is crystal clear. You can see blue color water, and you have so many mountains here behind and covered with snow.
Yeah.
Such a beautiful spot, and it's the first day of the opening for Kamikochi.
Yeah, and Kamikochi is only open from mid-April to mid-November because during the rest of the time it just snows here.
Snows here, yeah.
And one more thing is that you cannot get your private car to come to Kamikochi. You have, if in case you are coming by private car, you have to park it near Hirayo Onsen, and from there you have to take a bus. It's so soft here, you know. The snow is very soft here.
It's so nice.
So we got down at Taisho Pond stop. Again, there are other spots as well which you can visit. There is the Kappa bridge.
Yeah.
I think that's the place to be, to see the river and also the mountains in the background with a beautiful bridge. And that's where I think we'll be heading next. But yeah, this is such a beautiful spot. The Taisho Pond looks so beautiful, very calm, relaxing. Only the people over here are making noise. Other than that, it's so peaceful. Yeah.
Saw some ducks as well.
Yeah,
they were fighting a couple of minutes ago. We reached the Kamikochi bus station, and now we are walking towards the Kappabashi bridge. We are even closer to the mountains now. It's so beautiful. The water and the views are fantastic from here.
It's very cold as well.
Yeah, so cold. So I'm glad there's sun today.
Yeah.
The water is so clear.
Yeah, you can see all the colors, different colors of stones.
Yeah, and the water, yeah.
So clean. There are accommodation options as well, right?
Yeah,
but
there are
I
many
think
actually. Yeah.
it was expensive when we were trying to, and it was not available, I think, for the dates which we were looking for.
It was.
Especially today's the first day.
Yep.
Yeah, when Kamikochi opened up.
Yeah. Especially if you're coming here, you need to travel light. There's a lot to walk, and carrying suitcases here is not
An option.
How are you enjoying this place?
Yeah, it's really nice. I hope not so many people were around. Rather than that, so beautiful. I think we should have taken the first bus in the morning, the 6 o'clock one.
No, it's not open. It's only May, June, July.
Oh,
6 o'clock.
okay.
That's why I was like.
The first bus was at 7?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We got the first bus.
Yeah.
Nice.
We got this red bean and butter sandwich. My God, you saw the amount of butter in this?
It's like a slab of an ice cream.
Slab of butter, salted butter. Look at that.
And that's the only reason you got this, right? You just neglected the red bean paste part. You were like, oh, there's so much of butter there.
In it. It's so tempting.
Yeah, it's like the sweetness from the red bean paste and the saltiness from the butter is going to make it a very nice combination.
Yum, yum, yum. We got this again. Two more.
Soba oyaki.
Yeah.
That's a bit warm enough.
It's so much fun to eat hot food, right? During winter. Inside is hot. I'm not a big fan of eggplant, but this is tasting good.
I mean, I'm not able to figure out that there's eggplant in here.
It's like that. Fun.
We are so tempted to try the curry over here. I mean, in all the places we've been to, because it smells so good. The only thing is that they add pork by default in all the curries. You know, it's the sad part. I'm sure there are vegan places as well where you can find curry. Only thing is we don't have time to search for it.
Yeah. I was too hesitant to get this bread, but the only thing that tempted me was the butter slab.
Yeah, I mean, I was planning to buy this, but then he showed me. I was like, oh, it's a very cold burger. So yeah, that's the only reason I didn't take it. But yeah, looks like you have found what you wanted to see in that burger.
I want to try this.
Yeah, go for it.
By the look of it, it looks very cute, and the bread is a little hard on top. I can feel it is hard, but there's a lot of stuffing of red bean paste and the butter slab. So I'm gonna give it a go.
Is the saltiness dominant or the sweetness dominant?
Sweetness.
I was expecting it because of the amount of red bean paste that's been stuffed in there.
Hint of that creaminess comes from the butter, and the saltiness comes from the butter. But red bean paste is dominating.
How's the burger?
It's good. It's not very soft. You have to chew it. Later at the end, you get the flavors of the saltiness of the butter. Look at the number of people over here. There's so many people. It's totally crowded. That's the famous Kappabashi bridge.
Yeah.
There's no space to even walk there.
It's so crowded. Japan is so crowded.
Yeah, it's 11:30 in the morning, and then yeah, it's just too crowded at the moment.
Don't get lost, Amrita. Can you feel the bridge bouncing? So many people on this bridge at the moment. But look at the views, right? So
Yeah.
beautiful. Both the sides of the bridge, there are snow-covered mountains.
I just love the water. The water is so crystal clear and it's blue.
Such a beautiful view of the mountain from this particular bridge, the famous bridge, the Kappabashi bridge.
What a beautiful, and the suspension bridge is like wobbling and jumping whenever people walk on it.
Or even when there is breeze, actually.
Yeah.
So beautiful.
In love with Kamikochi.
Wish the walking trails were open.
Mm.
Yeah, it's just that I think that it's still the snow.
Soft
everywhere.
snow, very soft
Yeah.
snow. We enjoyed playing that with that. I liked it.
There's no one here, this side of the bridge, because there's no view. But yeah, you can stand here and still get a nice shot of the small view.
There's very less crowd over here. That's why we are liking it. That side is just too crowded. Wanted to get away from that. Look at the beautiful mountain right in front of us. There's beautiful stone path here and water running right beside it. Just gonna sit here for some time and admire the beauty of this place.
It looks so good, especially because of those snow patches here and there. It's a very rare sight for us being in Australia.
Something about the mountains.
Yeah, and that mountain looks so good. I love this mountain compared to this one. You like this one, right? Yeah. That has a perfect shape for me. Wow. Amrita, take a look at this.
Whoa.
It's so beautiful. Look at that green color, and it's actually a plant. Such a beautiful one. Just reminds me of peacock feather, you know, at the back of peacock. You know, it just swings, right? That's how it is looking like. So beautiful.
Especially when the sunlight is falling on it, it's just so green.
Yeah.
Oh.
And the water is so clean that you can see the rock which is at the bottom. And that's the another reason that green plants are so visible. Man, feel like drinking that water. How about a swim?
Ice cold water? Yes.
There's also a duck there, you know, just chilling. Now we have come to Amrita's favorite side of the bridge.
So nice, like the mountain is completely covered with snow, and there are mountains which do not have much snow. So it's like right there, center of attraction, right there, sitting there. So beautiful, and literally nobody here, nobody, like completely free and so peaceful. I can hear the water and the breeze.
It's
So
very
amazing.
breezy actually.
Very nice. The name of my favorite mountain is Mount Hotaka, and it's like 3,190 meters tall. And the river that's flowing here is called as Azusa River.
Yeah.
Kamikochi lies inside the Chubu National Park, Chubu Sangake National Park itself.
Yeah.
And the way you can reach here is via
Either by
Takayama.
Takayama or Matsumoto.
Yeah, Matsumoto. And yeah, pretty amazing place if you're visiting the central Japan area.